Good morning. Last unit of our syllabus, unit number 4, Mathematics for Finance. First, see overview of the unit. Types of example. Type 1, simple interest, that is साधु ब्याज. Type 2, compound interest, that is चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज. Type 3, effective rate of interest. Type 4, annuity, future value. Type 5, annuity, present value. And last, type 6, sinking fund. This is very useful unit for us in normal life. Let's start from type 1. Type 1, simple interest. First formula, I is equal to PRN upon 100, where I is equal to simple interest, P is equal to principal, R is equal to rate of interest, N is equal to number of year, A is equal to P plus I, where A is equal to total amount, P means principal, I means interest. Let's see first example. Example number 1. Find simple interest of rupees 5,000 at 10% per annum for 3 years. So P, that is our principal, 5,000. I, that is rate of interest, that is 10%. R, that is rate of interest, that is 10%. And 3 years. We have to find out simple interest. So I is equal to PRN upon 100. 5,000 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 3 divided by 100. 1500. This is your answer. Next, example number 2. Mr. Arjun deposited rupees 6,000. P is equal to 6,000 in a bank at a 6% simple interest rate. Rate of interest is 6%. Find balance in his account after 2 years. So N is equal to 2 years. Total balance we have to find out, that is principal plus interest. So we have to find out A. So first, I is equal to PRN upon 100. 6,000 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2 divided by 100. 6,000 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2 divided by 100. 720. This is I. Now we have to find out total. So A, P plus I. 6,000 plus 720. So 6720. Rupees 6720 in his account after 2 years. This is your answer. Next, example number 3. Mr. Durgesh deposited 10,000 in post office. Deposited, that is P, that is 10,000 at a 8% simple interest rate. So R is equal to 8%. Find how much amount he should get after 3 years. N is equal to 3 years. How much amount? That means total amount, that is A. So let's first we have to find out I. I is equal to PRN upon 100. P is equal to 10,000. R is equal to 8. N is equal to 3 divided by 100. 2,400. Total amount he should get after 3 years. A is equal to P plus I. 10,000 plus 2,400. That is 12,400. he get 12,400 after 3 years. This is your answer. Next, example number 4. Mr. Sagar lend rupees 10,000 to Mr. Dharmesh. એટલે કે સાગરે ધર્મેશને 10,000 ઉછીને આપેલા છે at a 12% simple interest. What amount should pay as a interest by Dharmesh to Sagar at the end of 4 years? So P is equal to 10,000, R is equal to 12%, N is equal to 4 years. We have to find out total interest paid by Dharmesh. So I is equal to PRN upon 100, 10,000 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 4 divided by 100, 4,800. Rupees 4,800 as a interest paid by Dharmesh to Sagar. This is your answer. Next, example number 5. Mr. Nilesh take a loan of rupees 10,000 at a 10% simple interest for 1.5 years from Mr. Ankit. What amount Ankit will get at the end of maturity? So he get principal as well as interest. So P is equal to 10,000, R is equal to 10%, N is equal to 1.5, that is 3/2. We have to find out total amount. So A. I is equal to PRN upon 100, 10,000 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 3/2 divided by 100, 1,500. I. A. P plus I, 10,000 plus 1,500, that is 11,500. 11,500 Ankit will get at the end of maturity. Ankit will get at the end of maturity. Next, example number 6. If rupees 2,000 amounts to rupees 3,200 after 4 years, find rate of interest. So P is equal to 2,000, it will become 3,200, that is A. After 4 years, that is N. We have to find out rate of interest, that is R. I is equal to PRN upon 100, P is equal to 2,000 multiplied by R, we have to find out N4 divided by 100. 40 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 20, 80 R. I is equal to 80 R. A is equal to P plus I. A is equal to 3,200. P is equal to 2,000 plus 80 R. 3,200 minus 2,000 is equal to 80 R. 1,200 is equal to 80 R. 1,200 by 80 is equal to R. So R is equal to 1,200 by 80, 15. R is equal to 15. So rate of interest is 15%. This is your answer. Next, example number 7. If rupees 1,200 amounts to rupees 1,488 after 3 years, find simple interest rate. P is equal to 1,200, A is equal to 1,488, N is equal to 3 years. We have to find out R. So I is equal to PRN upon 100, I is equal to 1200 multiplied by R multiplied by 3 divided by 100. I is equal to 36R. A is equal to P plus I. 1200 plus 36I. A is equal to 1448. 1488. 1488 minus 1200 is equal to 36I. 1488 minus 1200, that is 288, divided by 36 is equal to I, divided by 36, that is A. 36R, sorry. So R is equal to 8. So rate of interest is 8%. This is your answer. Next, example number 8. Miss Nirali get rupees 6,500 at the end of 3 years at 10% simple interest rate. What amount she was invested before 3 years? Invested amount, that is P, we have to find out. She will get 6,500 at the end of 3 years. N is equal to 3 and I is equal to, R is equal to 10. I is equal to PRN upon 100. I is equal to P, we have to find out. R is equal to 10, N is equal to 3 divided by 100. So I is equal to 3 divided 0.3p. A is equal to P plus I. 6,500, P we have to find out. I is equal to 0.3p. 6,500 is equal to 1.3p. 6,500 divided by 1.3 is equal to P. So P is equal to 6500 divided by 1.3, 5,000. P is equal to 5,000. So Miss Nirali invested rupees 5,000. This is your answer. Next, example number 9. Miss Anjana invested some amount in a bank at 10% simple interest. So R is equal to 10. Find how many years, in how many years the amount become double. So let's see. She invested rupees X. She invested rupees X. So P is equal to X. Double. She received. So A is equal to 2x. Double of x, that is 2x. In how many years? So N we have to find out. I is equal to PRN upon 100. I. P. X. R. 10 multiplied by N divided by N is equal to 100. So I is equal to X multiplied by N divided by 10. A is equal to P plus I. A is equal to 2x. P is equal to x plus I is equal to x multiplied by N divided by 10. 2x, 10 lasa, 10x plus x N divided by 10. 10 સામેની સાઈડ જશે એટલે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે. 20x minus 10x is equal to xn. So 10x is equal to xn. X divided by 10, xn divided by 10, 2x, x, 10 LCM. 2x minus x is equal to xn divided by 10. X is equal to xn divided by 10. 10 સામેની સાઈડ જશે, x ડિવાઇડ થશે is equal to n. So n is equal to 10. Amount become double in 10 years. This is your answer. Next, example number 10. Miss Hethel invested some amount in cooperative society at 20% simple interest rate. In how many years she will get 3 times amount to principal? So let's see, invested rupees x and she will get 3x. So P is equal to x, A is equal to 3x, R is equal to 20, and we have to find out. I is equal to PRN upon 100, P is equal to x, R is equal to 20, N is equal to, we have to find out, divided by 100. So xn divided by 5. A is equal to P plus I. A is equal to 3x is equal to x, xn divided by 5. 3x minus x, xn divided by 5. 2x is equal to xn divided by 5. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to xn divided by x. So n is equal to 10. In 10 years, amount will become triple. This is your answer. Here our type 1 is completed. In next session we will start our next type. Thank you.